Hello guys, Cyber here, and here is 5 tips and tricks in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Right. 5 for Pocket Edition. For the first one is the piston, two doorway piston. See if you walk, there we go. And if you walk again, there we go. I'm gonna do a tutorial in the next video, so let's get. So see you all in that video. In the second part, the fireworks that has tipped arrows. Whee! Fireworks! Woo! So that was the fireworks, guys. I don't need a tutorial to that because that's so simple. Just a dispenser with tipped arrows. So for the third one is the TNT cannon firework thingy. And so let's try it. And there's TNT there and TNT. Oh my goodness. Oh my. So this is just pause the video. The dispenser are looking at the water and this thing. Okay. For the third one, it's Max when he's a little baby. So this one is This one is a secret feature. When you want your pickaxe next to the sword, you just double tap and there's a frame there, and tap wherever slot do you want to go the pickaxe, like there. And this one there, this one there, this one and this one and this one and this one, like that. So that's it for the Max. And this is the last one, the chest in the donkey. Let me get you out of this whoa. And there's another glitch. So if you ride, as you can see, there are chests here. Let's ride him. So there's nothing here, but if I look in the thingy there, I can put stuff here. And when I go back, just do that. See? Very cool. And this is just a shower to show you in my new modern house in a new series. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. And if you turn it off like that, okay. So that's about it. Let me know if you want a tutorial on the piston door and the shower thing and the chest. It's pretty easy. You just take a donkey and wait, there's the donkey. You just take a donkey with the saddle and hold the chest in the donkey. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna do the double piston door right here. So all you wanna do is, I think, 2 blocks down and 3 long, just like that, I think. Yeah, just like that. And you wanna get your, this is what you need: building blocks, some building blocks, any pressure plate, sticky piston, redstone torch, and redstone. So you want to just do this, and you will, so once you're done, you should look like this. And put your redstone torch right here, and put your building blocks right there, right now, and put the sticky piston right there, and another thing, and put the redstone, the piston, sticky piston, and put your, wait, we need slabs, and only this part, that part, and slabs here, I guess. And you need any pressure plate right there, so look, it will do that. And put your building blocks in there, so look, see, so that's about it. You have to patch it up and you're done, see. And if you walk out, it will close. Very cool, right? So I think that's about it. Let me know if you want more of these. So let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on in the next video.